Hello students, welcome to EVS class. Today we are going to start chapter addressing population. In this video we will discuss about what is population, the link between growing population and environmental degradation, world population prospect by 2050. What is population? Population is defined as a group of organisms of the same species living in a geographically localized area in a specific time span and capable of interbreeding among themselves. Or, in simple words, we can say that population of a country is the total number of people who live in it. The rapid increase of human population is putting an incredible strain on our resources. Or we can say that population explosion has affected our environment badly. Today, we are facing so many environmental problems such as global warming, depletion of natural resources, pollution, loss of biodiversity. Global warming is the long term heating of Earth's climate due to human activities, mainly due to fossil fuel burning. Due to global warming, life, or we can say that survival, has become tough. Population explosion results into loss of biodiversity. Biodiversity loss includes the extinction of species worldwide. Actually, population explosion create pressure to convert wildlife habitat into agricultural and urban land. Resource depletion is the situation where the consumption of natural resource is more. Population explosion has speeded up resource depletion. We are facing many problems such as water crisis, food crisis, energy crisis. Recently, we have observed that cost of petrol, diesel has increased a lot. And why it happened? Because demand is more as compared to supply. And why demand is more? So for that, the one factor which is responsible is population explosion. World population prospect by 2050. According to United Nations report launched in 2019, it is expected that world population will rise to 9.7 billion in 2050. The major findings of various researchers on global population are: number one is the global population is getting older. By 2050, it is expected that the number of people of age group 65 and more will be double. Currently, population of old people is at its highest level in human history. In recent years, fertility rate has declined in virtually all areas of the world. Small changes in fertility behavior, when projected over decades, can generate large difference in total population. It is projected that life expectancy will be more. Life expectancy is a statistical measure of the average time an organism is expected to live. In recent years, life expectancy has increased significantly in least developed countries. As we have already discussed that there will be higher life expectancy and number of old age people is expected to be double, which means working age people in the developed world may have to support more dependents, means more pressure will be there on working age people. Africa's population is projected to increase the most and make up a greater share of the global population by 2050. It is projected that by 2027, India's population will surpass China's population. Regions that may experience decline in population growth are Japan, Russia, Germany. Now it's questions time. Students, write down answers of these questions in your copies. First is, what is population? What are the United Nations population projections for 2050? How is the growing population linked with the environmental degradation? Thank you so much.